Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. If you are new to the channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I share with you how I make my GhanaWaakye. So with this recipe, I was inspired by cooking with Efia. She did a recipe on how to make waakye with dry hibiscus flowers, and I was impressed and loved the outcome. She also has an amazing and delicious recipes on her channel, so you guys go check her out. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, in my pot I'm going to add 4 cups of my washed beans, and I'm using the Niger type. It cooks very fast, so I don't need to add soda. I've also add some of my coconut milk, which I will use to cook the beans. I will go ahead and add my leaves. So I will give this a gentle stir, cover it, and come back to check on it after 30 minutes. So guys, after 30 minutes checking on our beans, I'm just giving it a quick stir, and I can tell you the flavor is something else. This waakye infused with coconut, and our beans is halfway cooked. So I will take the leaves from the beans before adding the rice. You can also choose not to remove the leaves from the beans and then just add the rice, but it all depends on how you do it. But for me, I prefer to remove it because sometimes some of the rice gets stuck in the leaves, which I don't like. So I will make sure I remove every leaf before adding the rice. Okay guys, at this point I added 3 cups of jasmine rice. You can also use any rice of your choice, and I also added some chopped onion for extra flavor and some salt to taste. I will give this a gentle stir and then cover it to cook for 20 minutes. Alright guys, checking on the waakye, I will just give this a quick stir, and there is still moist in the waakye, so I will cover it with a baking paper and I will allow this to cook to my perfection for 20 minutes. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always being there. I do appreciate it a lot. So far, our waakye is ready. This waakye is infused with what? Coconut flavor. Just the aroma is something else. It came out so perfect and like the way I want it to be. I really love this, and you can also take this without any sauce. You are good to go. This waakye is a must try recipe. So I'm going to serve this with some vegetables, gari, spaghetti, some fried fish, egg and meat. And if you are still watching up to this time and not yet subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and also share this video among your friends and also like this video. So then, see you in my next video. Peace be with you all. Thank you and stay blessed.